My name is Vivian Fleet and I'm the Sustainability Coordinator here at the Metro Toronto Convention Centre. It's my job to reduce the environmental footprint of the facility, help our clients produce successful events and reduce the environmental footprint of those as well. Since 1984, we've had over 15,000 events and 40 million people walk through our doors. There is a lot of energy that goes into making one of these events, and there is a lot of recycling and waste that is produced. We have anywhere from 90 to 300 metric tons of waste and recycling produced every month. We've been recycling for a really long time, and we try to stay on top of innovative recycling procedures. Last year, for example, we started our carpet recycling program. When an event moves out, we have a lot of material left over, but we also have a lot of stuff that can be used again. We work with a handful of local charities to find a new home for all of these materials that are left over. These could include paper and pens, flowers from centerpieces, any furniture that is left behind. Really anything that we find, I'll try to find a home for it. In addition to running a tight ship here, we also expect everybody who walks in our doors to participate. Everything that's not recyclable, we do ask that they bring back with them in order to minimize the amount of waste that we send to landfill. We do a huge amount of dinners here. Sometimes we feed up to 7,000 people at one time. Over the course of a month, we can produce 47,000 kilos of organic waste. In order to deal with that, we began using an organic digester. It's an on-site machine that breaks down the food. Bacteria and microbes will eat away at the food and create an organic soup. We also donate a lot of the food. Anything that hasn't been put out onto the floor, anything that is still healthy and edible, we do find a home for that as well. Last year we launched our local food program as well, enabling our clients to select from a variety of local seasonal produce, and if they want, do an entire menu of Ontario food, from the cheese to the meat to the fruits and vegetables and the breads. It's really quite delicious. In addition to the local menu, we had the opportunity last year to build our rooftop herb garden. It's maintained by myself and the kitchen, and everything that is grown in the garden is used in the kitchen to accent the meals that are being created there. In terms of energy, over the course of the month, we use over 1 million kilowatt hours of electricity. We want our clients to look great. We want the events to be showcased beautifully. We want everybody to be comfortable and have a great experience. But there's ways that you can do this efficiently. So making sure that escalators are turned off when they're not in use. Having all of the meeting rooms on motion sensors is key. And our north building, all of the meeting rooms and pre-function areas are LED lit. In addition to helping our clients create successful events, we really want them to walk away and tell a great story. We want them to talk about the local food that they're serving to their clients with the flavor of Ontario. We want them to talk about the reduced carbon footprint of the energy efficient meeting rooms. And we want them to participate in our donation programs and know that they're making a difference in local charities.